In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Settings and clicking on Notifications right away. Then select App Settings at the top. Click Most Recent and select one of those options. I will go with All Apps. Now by tapping on blue switcher next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. By selecting the gray one instead, you can switch them back on. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!